Welcome back everyone, and today I am playing a different Elder Scrolls game, Oblivion. And as you can see, my acrobatic seal is 200. So basically, I trained it up to 100. And then I have the Acrobat's Amulet, Fortify 20. The Boots of Spring Hill Jack for another 50. The Flowing Greaves for another 10. And then the Grand Ring of Acrobatics and the Ring of Treachery for 10 points each. And today we are going to be doing some parkour. So, we are going to be climbing the city walls and a few other buildings.
Greetings to you.
Look how high we're jumping. This is gonna be easy. And after this, I might be doing some other cities and towns. Possibly. Oh! Ah. As this shall do. Ugh. Whoa. There we go. Oh, that was bad. Let's see. Come on. Don't tell me 200 points wasn't enough. It's just barely enough. Oh, dang it. Gotta release the button at just the right time. Yeah, so this is the toughest part. After this, it gets a bit easier. And then there's another tough part. But yeah, this is possible. Ah, dang. Pff. Wow, this is hard. Alright, so obviously... Oops. I've gotten up there before, so it's definitely possible. So I'm just gonna TC out to make things a bit quicker. Here we go. Here. Just need to get on top of there now. this part needs to be done very carefully. You gotta come around here and then walk up. So this might actually be the hardest part, because there's a barrier here preventing you from actually jumping there. So this is as high up as you can climb on this building. So I'm just gonna go and find another big building to climb. The castle. Wait, is that the castle gate? Yeah, that's the castle gate. Alright, so the castle is going to be pretty tough to climb as well, but not impossible. You can actually climb to the very top if you know what you're doing. This requires a lot of skill. There's like a few different ways you can do this, so I'm just trying to find the easiest. Then you gotta transfer to this side. This might be the hardest part. This transition here, from here to there. You definitely don't want to leave any of your enchanted gear out of this. Ooh. Yeah, that's it. That's the stuff. Right up there. So it can't jump up there. Oh! Oh! Wow! That is cheap. A fake wall. That's messed up. So it appears I've glitched through a fake wall. Apparently that wall doesn't actually exist, and you'll fall right through if you land on it. So yeah, that's cheap. That's not cool. So I'm just gonna if this wall was a real wall, you would just jump up here, climb up using the circular method, go up here, do the same thing, climb to the top, and then, yeah, that's pretty much the top of the castle. But because of that stupid fake wall, you can't actually do it. So, yeah. Let's see. We were pretty close to the top. I think we were like right here. Yeah. Oh. Oh, this part isn't a fake wall. Oh, it's just that part. Ooh, this might actually be possible. Alright, wait a minute. Since only part of it is a fake wall, it does require some more precise jumping. When you jump from here to there, you gotta be right on the corner, right here. You can't jump any earlier than that, or you'll fall right through. Alright. I've been doing tons of calculations into this. This is one crazy thing. Oh, goodness. Ugh. This is one of the toughest parts. just because of that fake wall. There is another method. If you can get up to here, and then you can get up to there. This isn't a fake wall. So you can actually, if you can time it right, you can actually land over there. But that's a bit trickier. Yeah, but that's pretty much how you do it. You might need a skill of a bit more than 200 to get up to that last tower. But we were pretty close. So I think I might also be doing the Imperial City today. Yeah, let's do the Market District. That's pretty fun.
What is it?
Speak.
This one's... The Market District also has a ton of fake walls. That you'll fall right through them if you try to land on them. That's the only problem with this game, is that the physics only apply to the areas you're supposed to be in. Yeah, so you get up there. This one's a bit tough. There's a few ways you can do it. None of them are easy. You'll actually get like stuck on the wall if you do it like this, which allows you to get pretty far.
I imagine it must be good since it's been in business so far.
I've heard others say the same.
You've got to travel. By the 9 divines, stay on the roads. The days just isn't safe.
So there's a few other ways you can do this. Up there, that right there, that building, that's an invisible. So don't want to be stepping on that. You'll fall right through. Oops. Yeah, but there's a few ways you can do this. You can step on that statue there. Trying to get onto the shop signs. My preferred method is this gate right here.
Hail, good citizen. How can I be of service?
Right down here. Ooh, right up there. And because of how round physics work in this game, you can actually just get up as high as you can. So now, get up there. Look at that. Imagine climbing that. I might try to do that in the next episode. Ooh. You basically want to find the point that's closest to one of these things. I think that point is right here. Yep. That. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, all these like things you think you can land on and then like you fall. Makes the game a lot tougher sometimes. Oh no, don't tell me I have to go all the way back there. Alright, hold on. trying to do this legit, but like, it's hard. Even with 200 acrobatics, parkour isn't easy in this game. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Now, just gonna go this way. And then you can, yeah, this is pretty much as high as you can get, unless you can get over there and onto the tower. That's a bit of a feat. Try doing like the corner glitch, but I wouldn't recommend that. Now let's try the tower. Let's see if we can get to the highest point in this cell. Aside from the palace, of course. Dang it, messed up again. Yeah, so I doubt you could get up there. I think that's pretty much all for this episode. I'll be back sometime. Maybe next week, because I'm going to be away for a bit. Yeah, I'll be back soon with more episodes of parkour and Skyrim cheats.